let's start with a little history. Is there anything you can tell me about the early days of the neighborhood? Was there a time you guys got along?
The boys' parents, they were very good to us when we come from the old country.
How so? Can you give an example?
Mrs. Fowler, she brought flowers and a casserole. Food was not so plentiful then.
Can you write that down, Jane? Fabulous. That was great, Anna. Is there anything else, Derek?
They shoveled our walks.
Who shoveled your walks?
Well, they did, for free.
Really?
Well, it wasn't exactly free. I mean, she gave us hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate. That's great, Kevin. Anything else, Derek?
Well, he used to make ice at the rink.
Outdoors.
Yeah,
And how was that?
that's pretty good.
You boys helped your pa build our fence. Rest his soul.
And he showed you how to light that infernal barbecue.
After you damn near torched the neighborhood.
He showed me how to use a piece of stovepipe.
Anything else, Derek?
Maybe it's your accent, but I didn't hear no apology.
Derek, we're just trying to find some common ground today. Now, is there anything positive you can say about the Posners?
I think Mr. and Mrs. Posner are part of a government conspiracy to suppress the people that were born in this country.
Derek, were you dropped on your head when you were born? I mean, honestly, can you even spell conspire? I mean, do you actually believe that the people in government are bright enough to conspire, and if they were, that they would bother with you?
Catherine.
No, I mean, I know it makes your head hurt, Derek, but think. All you want is an apology. All he wants is some peace and quiet. Is it so hard?
Catherine, get out.
But she's right.
Mr. Posner, we all know where this is headed. I mean, it's really quite simple. Just give him a handshake and an apology, and we can all get on with our lives.
Simple? Simple? You think I'm afraid of going to jail? You think that keeps me from apologizing to this Meshuggah? All you want is my signature on a piece of paper and your paycheck.
She's not getting paid.
We're out of here.
You sit right there. I said sit.
I told you this was a conspiracy.
Bastard!
Stick higher.